Welcome to Unilog University. Our learning management system, or LMS for short, is designed to help you get more power out of your e-commerce solution. The more you know about the tools at your disposal, the easier that will be. I'll show you how to use the LMS to find the right course, enroll, and let the learning begin.
The primary catalog of the LMS is to the right of this video. It includes a library of courses designed to help you reach your educational goals. You can click on the View Catalog button, and you will see a list of courses, each represented by a course tile. Each course lists the estimated time of the course. You can scroll down and look at many courses in the catalog. When you click on a course tile, you can see the description of the course. To take any course, you simply need to be enrolled. Someone at your company or your implementation project manager can enroll you in a suggested course, or you can self-enroll in any course you want to take. To self-enroll, click the Enroll button in the top corner. The first time you enroll in a course, the course will automatically start. Click Start Learning Now, and it will start at the very beginning of the course.
Welcome to the CX1 item modification.
You can use the navigation controls at the bottom to pause, fast forward, and repeat. If you pause the course and come back later, it will pick up where you left off. To the right of the course is a list of the lessons in the course. You can skip ahead or go back and view lessons that you want to see by simply clicking on the lesson.
Welcome to.
You can use the scroll bar to move up and down through the lessons. If you scroll down to the end of the course, you'll see a supplemental materials folder that contains materials that you can download to use as a guide after the course. All of the PowerPoint slides and transcripts are in the supplemental materials along with related training guides. To view these materials, expand the section and scroll down and select the material that you want to download by clicking the down arrow. When you are viewing the main page of the LMS, any course that you've been enrolled in or any learning plans will appear underneath the video and the course catalogs. A learning plan is a series of courses assigned together to reach an educational goal. Although the user guides are embedded into related courses, we have also created a catalog of learning guides that you can view by clicking Catalog button. These are really mini courses that only contain a learning guide, so if you see a user guide you want to download, click on the tile and click on the Enroll button, and you will be prompted to download the user guide. If you are looking for a specific topic, we suggest you use the search in the LMS. Enter any term that you want to search, and all of the courses and user guides will appear. I'll type in CMS here, and we will see courses and user guides related to the CMS. And just in case you have questions after you take a course, at the end of the course you'll see an email address where you can send any of us questions about the material that you just learned.
At the conclusion of each course, you'll see a survey that you can fill out to tell us your evaluation of the course and give us ideas on future training you'd like to see. We appreciate your feedback, and it will help make our training stronger. Thank you for your partnership and enjoy your learning.